Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decorations. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more related videos. In this video, we are going to watch some living room design ideas. So let's I shared some tips with you. The key to any successful interior design is balance. That means when it comes to hanging pictures, you don't need to fill every wall space with pictures. Empty wall space can be used as a crucial design element to enhance your decor. Decorating walls with pictures. There are few instances when you need to place a picture on every wall in your home. The art of deciding what should go on the wall involves considering other decor elements like the following. Number 1. A picture should add depth and warmth to your design. Number 2. A picture should be an intricate design element to your overall decor. Number 3. A lifeless wall can become dynamic with the right pictures and arrangements. The tip number 4 is pictures can reinforce a formal or casual room design. Furnishing and pictures. The picture you add should blend in as though they have always been there. Furniture pieces create natural breaks and present empty wall spaces that may be ideal for pictures. Examine the shapes and patterns the furnishing create around the empty wall space. Decide whether the space should be filled or if it should be better left empty. Examples of furnishing breaking up wall space include tall floor lamps in front of a wall become part of the overall wall design by virtual shape, size, and height. Their tall lamps will frame the empty space beside it, so you do not need a picture there. Thank you friends for watching the video. If you really like, please share your thoughts.